Adventures World Traveler here, and welcome back to a brand new video. Now, as always, as the title suggests, this is another unboxing of a tech related item, which is in the form of a laptop. Now, the main reason why I am doing this video and having this laptop is for two reasons. One, it is for hopefully video editing while I'm on my vacation and my holiday. And secondly, also uploading and live streaming my videos and live streaming so you guys can interact. So I hope I'm going to be taking this with me to the Philippines next year, January, when it's my wedding, and also to Bali. Now I chose this one specifically only because it was very cheap. If I'm not mistaken, about $250, I believe. Hey, $266. Sorry, $266, and Officeworks. Now, for those who are interested in maybe buying like one of these, or maybe exactly this one, I will put a link down below to this specific model of laptop which you can buy. Now, I'm not really sure about any of my American subscribers if you can actually buy this laptop or not, but I'm sure that you're able to get the same one for much cheaper in the US. So yeah, and this is going to be hopefully my main two laptop where I'm going to be again, hopefully, if this laptop can take it, edit my videos, render it, and then upload it. Because let me tell you, when I was in the Philippines recording my videos, I was using my GoPro, and I was getting actually sick of it, of uploading my videos from my phone, because that was the only way I could do it, because I didn't have any laptop. But now, because I had the funds to get this, and hopefully once off, I won't have to buy another one again to do my videos on and stuff like that. So it will give me also another way to interact with you guys, so you can meet my wife, soon to be wife, and also so I can live stream when I'm in Bali or wherever in the world I happen to be. Alright, so anyway, let's get on to it and unbox it, shall we? I got this trusty knife. My dad bought me this when I was working at IGA, so we'll just I hope you guys can see me well. Hope you guys can see me well enough, because I hope the audio for this video is good, because I'm using my brand new camera that I did a video on the other day to unbox this. Alrighty, so before we remove the laptop itself, let's see, we get, of course, the standard charging cable for the brick. And here's the brick. Here's the brick of course. So yeah, of course it's standard. And let's see. What's this? Warranty. Normal stuff. Warranty stuff. And that is it. So wait, some more paper. A set of instructions. I'm not really sure I'm going to be using this, because I mean it should be fairly simple. Alright, so let's remove the laptop itself, shall we? Oh my goodness, it's very small. It's very small. But it's okay. It's compact. Look, it's very small. It's nice. Look at this bubble. Let's look at the packaging. Nice. It's very small, like I said, but it will be okay. Oh, okay. It's got a USB port, no, two USB ports, and one HDMI port. Which, yeah. So let's open this up. Let's see. Wow, it's super small. Damn. But hopefully, I think it will be. I think this. Oh, the hell! Was this used already or what? It's got little marks on it. Oh, never mind. It's okay. Oh well, anyway. So yeah, this is very small. Let's the charging place is there. Oh, here's a for micro SD. So which means this camera that I'm using now, my new one, takes an SD card, but I have a micro SD put into the SD card, which is an adapter form. So I'm able to plug it in and use it. So this specific HB, yeah, no, this way, no, this way, yeah, no, this way. Sorry. Now this specific one is called an HP Stream laptop. Now with this one, it comes with an Intel Celeron processor, which for those who are tech savvy will know, what kind of chip that is. It's a fairly, I would say, a fairly oldish chip, not very new, but it will get the job done. It's got 32 gig of memory in here, which of storage, sorry, not storage, not memory storage, sorry, which is not very big. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to see if I can put in an SD card in here, or micro SD to expand the memory of it, but who knows. This has got a 2 gig of RAM, which is fairly good, and hopefully enough for rendering capabilities. It's got Windows 10, of course, on here. It's got no optical drive, which is, I'm not going to really be using CDs or nothing. And then it's got Bluetooth, of course, and WAN, which is wireless stuff. And that's really it. So let's open it up, because I'm very curious to see what it looks like. Oh, damn! Nice! The screen looks fairly good. It's got a nice webcam in there. Oh, nice one. Wow! Well, that is awesome. That is very awesome. Oh, it's going to be so good. So yeah, that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like, guys. Travelers, this is my laptop from now on. I'm going to be using it for streaming, of course, live streams for my channel. This is, and also hopefully be able to render my videos or edit them. But if not, that's okay. I'll just upload them straight to my channel. And that is it, yeah. So let's see if it actually turns on. I'm not sure if it has any juice. Oh, it did. Did it? Oh, there we go. It's got some juice in there. Function. Oh well, so I mean, I don't guess you guys want to see that, so I'm just going to put this to the side and let it run by itself, and I'll just keep it here with me. So, so you guys are probably wondering, why am I not uploading videos of the Philippines, and why am I doing this tech stuff as well? Because this tech stuff that I'm doing or unboxing for you guys is so that it is part of my channel, and it's part of traveling, because most people that travel, vloggers and whatever, takes these equipments with them to edit their videos, to do all sorts of stuff, so I think this is an essential part of traveling. Like for example, Jeff has his laptop there, does all his videos when he's going to the Philippines, of course. But anyway, but I will be uploading some more videos of the Philippines, hopefully tonight or tomorrow. But I'm trying to pick out what videos I want to upload first and what videos I want to upload last. So who knows which video will be up next. And hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. If you did, please rate, comment and subscribe.
And I'm here to help.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and
okay.
PC ready for all you plan to do.
Okay, I had to mute that for a second. So that's it. Another thing I want to mention real quickly that I was thinking of for quite a while. Now this, I'm going to show you guys what I love eating and snacks. I'm just going to put this to the side. And this is, in this box, there's something called biltong and droros. Now this is a South African jerky and dry sausage, which is very good. Lee, if you're watching this, you will know what I'm talking about. Any South Africans that are watching will know what I'm talking about. These are very good. Now I was thinking, oh yeah, Lee, I will be making some for you as well, so I can give it to you so you can enjoy it. So here's the thing, guys. I was thinking of actually selling or maybe selling jerky and dry and droros, for anyone that was interested in buying or trying it out, because trying to make some extra, money and cash. So if you guys think that's a good idea, please comment down below if you guys think I should maybe, because I make my own jerky and my own boerewors and dried sausages. So if you think it's a good idea, please do write in the comments down below to give your opinion, what you think of it. And if you guys are interested in it and you guys would like to pay for it, pay for jerky and droros, please let me know and I will gladly make some for you and ship it to you wherever you are in the world. But yeah, that is it really. Again, rate, comment and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and please always remember, the world is a holiday, guys. Peace out.